Hey YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video over here, Zackley Scale Models. This one's going to be a bit shaky. I have to take the camera off the stand. And when I say stand, I just mean I clamp it in a vise. That's fine. Anyway, I can't pick this one up to show it in front of the camera because the rear end is drying in place right now. It fell out when I tried recording earlier. And that's great. No, it's not. Anyway, this is another Model T from the same kit as the one I just made a video on. It's got a 32 Ford grille that I found laying in a box. The engine is from a newer Revell 32 Ford kit. So are the tires. The wheels, I believe, are from 59 Corvette, maybe? Possibly? I don't really know. There's not much to it. Spin it around on this piece of paper for you. The seat does lift up right there, and it reveals this neat little gas tank in there. Got a nice steering wheel. You can see once again where I did the carpet. You can actually see this one though, and that's what makes it cool. There's not a whole lot going on up here though. Once again, no radiator hoses. The rear suspension is just a cut up example of what was included in the box, and the front suspension is that combined with a little bit from a 32 Ford. Not too much to it. The whole floor is built from just a sheet of plastic because I had to cut the original one out to get it to sit like this. Stretched the frame a little bit, and that's really about all there is to it. Anyway, I'm going to let you go now. I'll see you in the next one, whenever that may be. Probably tomorrow. I'm going to try to upload a video on the Galaxy tomorrow, and hopefully that video will be of higher quality than this one. I'll see you then.